Okay, Woodend, Victoria, near Bendigo. Leaking concrete tank. Horizontal crack. The ground is very, very moist. And that's purely and simply because the overflow pipe here hasn't been piped away. So all that water runs down the side of the tank, sits around this half of the base. The tank starts to move towards that wet side of the base, and all your cracks you'll find on the majority of tanks are on this half of the tank where the overflow hasn't been piped away, and it's keeping the tank base dry, stable and solid. Okay, Woodend again. This is after the repairs. As you can see, the tank's all drying up beautifully. No more leaks. Phone 0427 427 183. Tank shop, concrete crack injection, water tank repairs.